I just saw a jackrabbit. It's so cute. And like, I got lost, as you can see. All around me, it's just bushes and shit. I'm trying to find this freaking jackrabbit to show you guys. I think I'm just gonna go. Because I hear peacocks. I don't know how to get out of here. I'm lost. So, what's that? Yeah, there's a road. Oh, I see cars, but I want to find that jackrabbit. I have pictures of him there, but I want to make a video. Ugh, he was right by my house. I gotta get out of here. I'm probably gonna take walking through this lanes and okay, whatever. I'm an idiot. Whatever, I'll find that jackrabbit. Dude, look at the peacock. Ah, they're running away. Usually they're out in front. Oh. I guess there's people flying through away their Christmas tree. See? They're usually like on those people's roof and whatever. I don't know. I'm gonna keep walking. Oh my god, I keep running into a bunch of critters today. Look. I'm not sure what the hell those are. Ah, it's on the tip of my tongue. I want to get closer though. They make this weird, like, noise though. Watch. Like if I chase them. No, don't leave. Let's see, I can hear him making it now. Bye. See? Oh my god, I'm running into so much more animals and like birds and stuff. There's 3 egrets out there. See if I can zoom in. I can't really see because there's a bunch of crap on my camera. But there's 3 egrets out there. Holy crap, I can see it now. What? Usually when I come here there's only like 1. They're very quiet because every time I walk down here, like they always like fly away. But that's my mom would like trip balls. Oh my god. Oh, I thought there was 4. Never mind. Okay. Can you see them? There's 3 egrets. See, no. Flying away. But there's 3. That was weird. What y'all? Oh, and duckies! Where'd they go? There's like a whole family of ducks! I don't know if you can see them, but what a day it's been for me. Ah, I've seen so many animals. It's like a zoo. And now I hear a train.